Alright, so we are at the dyno. What's the goal for today?
Well, we just want to see where the car is at after the 8.9 runs. So hopefully we will see 950 or so.
But what do you think our power goals are going to be for this this dyno session?
I mean, judging on the weight and the run, if I was going to estimate, I would probably say like high 9s, 980 maybe, hopefully.
So the two runs did pretty good. I see that we did maybe run into a small minor issue. What happened?
Yeah, round one we did the map 1. We made, I believe, 780 or so, and then the second run we put map 4. It made 844 or so, and then we had a problem with the coolant or heater hose. We're putting it back together to do another run.
Alright, so what are we looking at? How do we do?
So here you have the TT777 graph, which we did before, it made 713 on this dyno versus the 6670 next gen. On the map we ran 8.9s.
Okay.
So it made 844.
844 at 737 foot-pounds torque?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what changes do you think we'll need to make now?
Well, honestly, the car runs strong for what we want. We're probably gonna make it a little more lightweight and see if we can achieve an 8.7 out of it.
Okay, and this is gonna be with a fully built motor?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, the car is full, has a full built engine. We're gonna be testing some parts here shortly. We won't make any changes until we test those. We want to do a back-to-back. So basically we have our 844 run the way it sits. We're gonna install these parts, obviously make a video, tell everybody what we're doing and why and whatsoever, and then run it again and see if we will pick another 50-80 horsepower.